All right, today we're going to check out the sampler page on NextSoundZ mobile DAW. Last time we covered the drums. This time the creative sampler, man. I'm telling you, that's what we need for mobile. All right, let's check it out. So here we are on the drum section. Last time, I had a cool kit loaded up. Switch over to the sampler page. Here we go. So what the creator sampler is like similar to like how arcade is, but we brought it to you on mobile platform. Not on iOS yet, but Android for sure. We have phrases, we have chords, and you can switch up the key of the sound. So anyways, let me just go ahead and just start messing with the keys. Well, first, before I press these beautiful keys here, you have 14 white keys. So we only laid out the sounds on the 14 white keys. The black keys are disabled. So easy for you to mess with. So let's go ahead and check it out. So you kind of get the idea. Let me just go ahead and jump in and create something real quick for you. So that sequence button that I hit, that gives you handcrafted sequences, and you get that from downloading drum kits. Let's see what I got. All right, what can we make with this? I'm gonna wait for the next thing go around. Let's go. Okay, you kind of get the picture. So you can also like reverse these keys. Either one of these keys that you choose, you can reverse it. So let's click the reverse. You see how I reversed that. So let's go ahead and record something real fast. I'm gonna click the metronome. We're gonna record something real quick. Let's see. Wait for the count in. Okay. Now you know that's kind of hot, right? That's kind of hot, right? So you also got chords also. So let's go. Let me switch over to track. I'm on track 2. Let's switch over to track 1. I already had one loaded up. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the chords just to show you the chords. Let's make sure. Since I was messing around with this, let me just make sure that we are one shots. As you can see, like this pack is, it's the chord pack for the theme of the No Favorites Trap Bells pack. And like I said, we have there's so many different kits that you can use and mix and match. You can also change up the key of it. So let's go ahead and switch it. You can switch the key. So you know what? Let's go ahead and play it. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch up the key for what we just played. Let's go to play it like that. Switch the key up. Doesn't that sound? Oh, you know what? I'm on the wrong track. Track 2. Switch it up. There we go. Switch it up. Cut the metronome off. So you can also add like effects to it. So let's go ahead. We're on track 2. So let's go ahead and add a low pass filter to that. Put the low pass filter up. As you can hear it, gives you more like a dark sound. So you can get your dark sound. You have echoes, reverb, high pass. You can automate the low pass and everything like that. So, man, I'm telling you, this is a game changer right here for mobile. You don't have to stay in the studio. You can go ahead and you can be out there and do what you got to do. Get your creative ideas down here, and it works well on the bigger platforms. So, one more thing, like I said, towards the end of the video, which we have came. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can also load your own loop. So if you have a loop, you know, I know you guys love to have your own stuff. So if you have a loop, you can load it into the Creative Sampler and use the effects and do what you got to do with it. Time stretch it. You can pitch it down. You can change the play rate. So